All right, guys. Today on the Vegan Cooking Show with Bobby and Brent,
we're gonna show you how to make this zucchini raw pasta.
Next
On Now You Know.
Yeah, Brent, holy crap. We're gonna be making this zucchini raw pasta. Is that even possible?
I guess so, apparently. That's what the paper in front of us is saying. We can totally do this zucchini spaghetti, if you will.
Yeah, so what are you talking about? You can't make spaghetti with zucchini! What are you thinking? Spaghetti is made with noodles. I do not know what you guys are trying to do, but it feels like you're trying to give me a heart attack. I am done with you two. You can kiss me goodbye. Rigatoni, go back. I thought you were on vacation. Just go back to Venice.
Head back to Florence,
wherever you were
or
from.
Ibiza, wherever the heck this guy was at. He's probably he feels like an Ibiza type of guy.
Yeah, so you don't even have legs. How do you even get here? I'm so sick of this guy. Rigatoni, you're wrong. And I'll tell you why, Brent. I'll tell you why he's wrong.
Tell me why rigatoni is wrong.
Listen, it is perfectly healthy. In fact, it's more healthy to eat this alternative to spaghetti because spaghetti has a lot of carbs.
Okay. Well, are carbs bad for you?
Carbs are not bad for you in moderation.
Okay.
But the problem is, Brent, a lot of us have too many carbs.
We just can't stop eating them.
You just can't stop. When you wake up in the morning.
I personally ate a whole baguette on the way here this morning.
Well, there you go.
Maybe that's why I don't feel so good today.
Yeah, honestly, like, me too. I had like 2 giant patties last night.
Yeah.
You got bread, like toast, all that stuff just has so many carbs.
Okay.
So this is a good way to reduce your carbs and to make sure that
you still get the scratch that spaghetti itch.
Yeah,
you know?
the spaghetti itch.
I got that spaghetti
itch that we all have, that we all need to fulfill.
Yeah.
Brent, this zucchini has a lot of vitamin B.
Okay.
Which is really great for you, can improve your mood, and just, you know, make you overall a happier person.
That's good. I need a little B vitamin in my life.
So let's get into what we're gonna need. So this is, wow, Brent, this is really simple.
Yeah, another really cool thing about this we haven't actually talked about yet is we're actually doing a raw pasta sauce today too. In case you didn't think it could be any healthier.
All right, guys.
Yes.
It's time for step 1.
Yes, what is that step, Bobby?
Well, I think it's to peel our zucchini.
A zooks?
A zooks.
Our zook suit riot?
There's a couple ways you can do this. We're doing it the old-fashioned way, where we're gonna peel it with julienne peeler, and if you want to chop it into the spaghetti, use a knife, or you can keep it like thick as fettuccine. Spaghetti. And yeah, so there's other ways you can do it. You can also go to the store, and they actually sell spaghettifiers. That's actually a verb, or that's a word, you know, spaghettify, spaghettification. It's a word, and you can spaghettify your zucchini with one of those things. But we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, because let's be honest, Brent, most people don't have those.
That's true.
So we're gonna show you how to do it the old-fashioned way.
This thing is so drippy.
It is drippy. It's very like wet on the inside.
It's really leaky AF. Like I just got like all these little drips.
It's not supposed to be a leak. So we're gonna start peeling, and the way I'm gonna do it, we can do it in different ways. Test different like.
Now, do you
functions.
like? I personally get rid of the skin on my zucchini first.
You know, I usually do too. So we can get rid of the skin.
Yeah, that's kind of how I roll.
I'm gonna start peeling this guy, and I don't know how you do want to do it, Brent, but I'm gonna basically stack these up.
It's an interesting technique. Huh.
It's an interesting technique. I'm gonna stack it up, and then I'm gonna cut them into smaller strips.
Cool.
Okay, Brent, what is our next step?
All right, so our zucchini is zooked. Now we need to souk our sauce. I don't know. We need to make this raw pasta sauce,
I love
Bobby.
Crazy Brent, it's the best.
Oh God. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our raw sauce by just throwing a bunch of junk in a blender, pretty much.
Oh my God, we're making our own sauce?
Yeah, it's gonna be raw, baby.
This is really raw. I thought you meant just the zucchini being raw, but this is crazy.
You know, it's like raw, like we're like uncensored. Raw,
yeah, I thought
uncensored.
it was like wrestling.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like the Undertaker was gonna come in and give someone a tombstone.
Yeah, for his last performance.
For his last and final fight for the 40th time.
Okay, so what are we doing? Are we just chopping things up a little bit?
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna be blending it, so you don't need to go too crazy with the chopping.
Just kind of get rid of the stems.
Just to cut, get rid of the stems, and cut these into maybe little bit easier to blend chunks, but you don't have to like really go crazy or anything. So I think we're good here, Bobby.
Okay.
So let's just start throwing some stuff into our blend.
I'm gonna put
Throw
this
the garlic in. I'm
in
doing
like increments.
cool.
Spread it in.
And I got the tomatoes.
Some peps.
Got them peps.
Some
pep
tomatoes.
boys.
Some tomato peps. So we're gonna put half a jar of sun-dried tomatoes in there, Brian.
All
Correct.
right. Yes. Yes, sir. And then I got some Italian seasoning here.
Yes.
If you want, you can just do like oregano and basil, dried, whatever. I'm going with the Italian.
the Italian seasoning.
So-
Oh.
So-
you know, I sound an awful lot like rigatoni.
That's weird. And maybe a little baby bit of salt. It doesn't need a lot of salt.
Oh, it smells good,
Sun-dried
Brent.
tomato already is a little bit salty, and some crushed black
Brent,
pepper.
This smells phenomenal.
So we'll throw in some cayenne too for some heat.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
A little bit of heat,
And then
a little bit of Monica in
we
my
can
life.
Mambo number 5. And then yeah, we can always add more spices later because it's raw, so we can just throw in stuff whenever we want to.
It smells like
for
marinara
now,
sauce.
We're gonna come over and we're gonna blend this up.
Blend it.
Yeah, so we're all blended up. So I think all we gotta do now is mix it in for our pasta and we can give it a good old taste test.
Are you kidding me?
I am actually kidding you. We have 10 more steps.
Oh, okay, good.
No, not really. It's done.
Brent, you know, eating raw is not as hard as I thought it would be. Let's do it. You know, Brent, I'm actually more excited to try out the homemade marinara sauce.
Yeah, because you've done zucchini pasta at home before, but you do it with cooked pasta sauce,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Now, technically, if you wanted this sauce warmer, you could put it in a pot and like put it on like a low heat and stir it
in.
constantly for like a couple minutes just to get it to like a warm temperature, but not so hot that it starts degrading anything in it. But
you know, as we learned from Tossie, I mean,
Yeah.
you get different nutrients based on how you cook or don't cook it.
so yeah, a combination of cooking and raw is a good thing to have in your diet.
Yeah. So, but this is great. We're gonna try some cold raw food.
Yeah, and we add a fair amount of cayenne to give it some like artificial heat, the
Yeah.
feeling of heat without actual heat in
Yeah,
it.
the spiciness.
Exactly, the spice.
All right, so are we ready to try this?
I think so.
And cut out our gross mouth sounds?
And let's do that.
That might be some of the best marinara sauce I have ever had.
Wow,
That's
really?
really good.
Wow,
It
really?
is so good. I can only imagine how good it would be heated.
Yeah.
Spicy, it's tasty. Got a good mixture of those sun-dried tomatoes and the regular tomatoes.
Yep.
I'm giving this an A+.
Wow, A+.
Mainly on the marinara sauce.
Very nice, very nice.
But
Okay.
I
What about
would
the
prefer
zucchini?
the zucchini to be a little bit more stringy.
Interesting.
a little
Okay.
too thick for me.
Yeah, this is more like fettuccine
Yeah,
noodles. You're
it's
more of a spaghetti guy.
More of a spaghetti guy.
See, I kind of prefer fettuccine noodles myself. I like a little more
That's fair.
surface area for my sauce.
That's
you know?
fair. I
'Cause
kinda-
for me, the sauce is Bob's.
The sauce is bows.
I think I'll also go a nice solid A+.
Yeah, Brent, give me that.
I've actually done this one at home before, and I never remember it being as good as this time. So I think we did, I don't know, we got like just the right amount of spices and stuff in it, I feel like. So thank
Yeah.
you so much for watching. Like, sub, Patreon.
Patreon, comment,
Check out other videos.
check out the Puppets channel. It's called
Yeah, check-
rigatoniandvern.com.
It's Rigatoni's. It's sad because his videos get more views than ours, and it actually kind of makes me jealous.
Yeah, he has like 2.3 million on one video. It's crazy. And his channel, he doesn't even do anything too. He just makes fun of us. It's just a Bobby and Brent reaction channel.
It's just our videos
Yeah.
reacting to it.
It's like when you get a really small meme video that's really funny and like a bigger channel reacts to it, but
Yeah.
the meme video never gets any views.
Yeah.
Because why would you watch the meme video when you can just watch the reaction? So thank you so much for watching, guys. We
Those
love
of you who did.
We love you. We care for you. We raised you. Good night.
I'm not gonna add anything to that. Cool, perfect.
You toast.